Regardless of how new you are to the game, there's some basics that every streamer should have about broadcasting software. Whether you use OBS Studio, my favorite Streamlabs, or any of the others on the market, you should have some insight into what you're using. This series is for every new streamer, those of us looking to improve, and everyone that wants to know more about setting up their stream. I'm Christopher. You can find me at twitch.tv/ChristopherFloro, as well as all of our other social medias. A link to them and our schedule will be in the description below. While you're on your way down there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ding that bell notification icon, so you can stay up to date on when we post new videos. And as always, if there are any topics that you'd like us to discover, make sure you leave them in the comments below. So you're a gamer, you have a computer, and you want to hit that go live button. Everyone asks the same questions. What do I need to make it as a streamer? Well, unfortunately, there is no magic code, but there are some essentials that you're going to need, like an open broadcast software. You'll hear a bunch of different opinions on the matter, but for the sake of argument, we're going to use Streamlabs OBS for this. Obviously, we're going to start out by going to Streamlabs. And we're going to hit that download button and click our save file. And once it's done, we're going to open it up. And this is what you'll see when it first comes up. Here's my suggestion. The first thing you should do is click this button twice and name it like just chatting screen. And away. Be right back. AFK something. Now we'll go with our just chatting screen. We'll come over here. We'll click the plus button. And we'll add a video capture device. And add source. Webcam. And there we are. Resize this thing so everybody can see your face. Now granted, I'm using my laptop to show you how to do this, but because my screen looks a lot different. Then we come back here to our, well, we need an alert box so people can see when we get new followers. We just add our little alert box. Size it up wherever we want it to go. That looks good. And then we're going to click on our game screen. First thing that we're going to do here is we're going to add a desktop source or display capture. That way people can see what's going on your screen. Just leave it named the same. And there's our screen. Then we're going to add ourselves to it so people can see us on top of it. You just go back to video capture. And there we are. But we're going to resize this one and put it somewhere else. Go ahead and throw in our alert box. And there's that one. Just going to go to our away screen, and this screen is kind of obvious. When you get up from your desk, say you need some coffee, some water, you don't want people just seeing your empty chair hanging around. So we're going to go here. We're going to add an image. We'll browse for our image. We're going to select the one that we want. And we're going to size it to take up the whole screen. And that's it, my friends. Those are the 3 basic screens that every streamer should have. A scene with your desktop, a scene with just your cam, and an away screen, so people don't just see an empty chair when they tune into your stream. If you can think of any that we missed, or if you can think of any topics that you want us to discuss, remember to leave them in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, ding that bell notification icon. If you enjoyed our content, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Thank you all for tuning in.